said.
Put you on a state's list, label prison bound.
Used to love the rushing hum of the playground.
No sirens.
Sound slipped under the darker flickering street lamps.
Dear Darian, yesterday I watched my people smash your cornrows into your teeth. In broad daylight we literally watched as another Emmett Till came to be. Saw your face on TV. Wishing you two caught the reasons why the streets been the kids to grip their fists.
Still, kindergarten through 8th,
We ate textbook lies,
civil rights fought for, erased like overnight chalkboards, and even before we could hope that our diplomas would give us more.
We watched 100 freshmen get shaved to 49 sophomores.
And this public school to prison pipeline,
Designed by the same minds that causes these sidewalks, soldier wars.
Resulting in stray bullets being caught by teenage girls in front of corner stores.
Shauna,
Before high school,
you were numb.
Teacher called you dumb.
So we became one with the wood chip 6 years before Blair Hawk, this violent stone.
bullets lust.
Cradled you in its
I
arms.
became alarmed, fleeing from dis-ease, damaging flesh. Put you to rest at 13.
Quentin,
Alone in an overcrowded classroom storm. You changed every day from school uniform, teaching you to conform to black and white Southside Sox pride. You're home.
You started embracing this systematic fate as your own.
Strolling through the hood.
still pointed out the graffiti, but you started seeing it differently.
Said 2-6 was your reason for existing.
School cuts couldn't offer after school choice, so you found your voice hanging with the boys.
No resources or someone to vouch for your virtue.
No
No sports teams to play on, so you power forward towards 10th grade.
Took away your silly smile, soft heart.
Gangsters beat you down until you got down with the nation. Accepted your no good, hood raised nigga label.
I wish they weren't right. They never saw your light.
Too busy dipping candlewicks for the next victim.
I saw you armed and dangerous.
I remember your first prison sentence.
3 months, possession of narcotics.
You grew up fast
The
inside.
last time we spoke,
You cried,
I held you. Felt the 10-year-old Quincy coming back too.
but in 4 short
Hey.
weeks you got slammed with the year-long prison sentence.
For gun possession.
I know you only carried it for protection.
I don't blame you for dying, Quentin.
Shauna.
I blame the system. When hate, hit our hood, hit me.
Like the silent sirens riding into war zones.
Sounds tranquilized by teens killing teens. Wish the world would stop the silence. Casualties incarcerated.
Because behind bars, free labor makes more.
So let's make some noise like that's dragged across floors.
For the mislabeled shorties
Who will never talk more.
whose frequent qualms will teach us pissed on their pretentious leaders.
Because they lack the status quo.
Of a calm culture demeanor. 38 Chicago school sirens have been silent.
By too many tragic stories.
Desensitized to the violence, so tell me,
Why is it taking so long to notice the schoolhouse to jailhouse trend?
cause while you twist and turn in your sleep, and you know what's happening?
6 months into 2014 and Chicago is repping way too many deaths.
Now couple that with countless arrests.
Wake up!